Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick explanation on day trading on Webull. So, day trading is really useful for making short-term profits by buying and selling the same day. So, make sure that you understand the risks and have margin enabled if needed. So, yeah, the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your account and then you will have to fund that account. So, ensure that your account is approved for day trading and then you should look for deposit funds. So it should be somewhere right here, but it really depends on your layout. So just go ahead and explore that. And then after that, you will have to select your stock. Of course, you do have to search for your preferred ticker. Search your preferred ticker, and then you will open your chart, and then you will set up your indicators. And then after that, you will choose order type. So market order executes immediately, while limit order executes at set price. So yeah, after that, you will place buy order. You will click buy, and then you will enter the quantity and select your order type, and then confirm. And then you will monitor the price movements by watching charts, indicators, level 2 data, and then you will decide what to sell. And then after that, you will place your sell order, and then you will click sell, you will enter the quantity and then confirm, and then realize profit or loss. And of course, you do have to keep track of day trades by going to portfolio or using your portfolio and then going to history to analyze trades. And Webull allows up to 3-day trades without pattern day trader restrictions for small accounts. And yeah, that's how you day trade on Webull safely. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.